हमने डिटेल के साथ रेल रोड्स को भी और रेल इंडस्ट्री को भी डिस्कस कर लिया. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट देयर issues, the current issues which the rail industry is actually facing. So one thing is for sure that there is a high fixed cost in the rail industry. So railroads operate under conditions of increasing returns until capacity is reached. So you would always find, you do not find the diminishing returns. You will actually be facing the increasing returns until the capacity is reached. जब तक capacity reach नहीं करती है, so there are always something which is being incurred from your side rather than the returns. Per unit cost declines as fixed costs are spread out over an increased number of units. So it is only possible if the capacity is being reached. Then you will have such kind of a scenario that per unit cost would be actually lowered, and you can actually spread over your transportation cost or your fixed cost for per unit costing. If you see this figure, what is the importance here? You will actually be looking at the 5 different perspectives regarding the issues which is being faced by the rail industry. There is substance of abuse, that is the nature of railroad work, long hours, away from home, low supervision, employee assistance programs. If such kind of things are implemented, then it can be eradicated. There is an issue of like substance or abuse. Then you have the energy issue, that is the large element of variable cost, and it can be reduced by having fuel efficient locomotives or equipment. Then you have the technology issue. You can actually reduce it by important enablers of service and operations. बेहतर तरीके के साथ टेक्नोलॉजी को इम्प्लीमेंट करके you can actually eradicate it. रेल्स के अंदर भी जैसे कि सिग्नलिंग की भी बात हुई यूनिट ट्रेन सर्विस के अंदर, इफ़ दैट इज़ इन ऑपरेशन इट विल बी हेल्पफुल, और क्लाइंट्स के लिए एक अट्रैक्टिव सिनेरियो होता है कि स्केड्यूल्स के ऊपर और ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी और जो आपकी प्राइसिंग और सर्विस है दैट गोज साइड बाय साइड. देन यू हैव स्मॉल रेल रोड्स. इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ इशू बिकॉज यू कैन अफोर्ड टू हैव लाइक जब आपके पास फिक्स कॉस्ट ज़्यादा है तो what is the thing, small railroads will actually not be that कि जो आपकी economies of scale को achieve करवा रही हों. So cost disadvantages there. Then usually not unionized, ये बिल्कुल separate या कोई separate service provide नहीं कर रहे होते. Financial assistance from local and state government is actually required. So that can, अगर if there is some kind of a subsidy which is coming from the government for that small railroads, then it can perform efficiently. तो ये issue भी eradicate किया जा सकता है. Then you have local drayage, which is the scarce availability, high rates of service, and additional transit time. So if there is like local drayage, which actually cause additional transit time or high rates of service, this is also an issue. क्योंकि आपके पास जब transit time आपके पास increase होगा तो obviously the cost is increasing. So this can be eradicated through subsidy as well. इसको भी subsidy के through जो है वो कम किया जा सकता है. So the main perspective here would be कि आपके पास energy, technology, substance abuse और small railroads और local drayage, ये जो issues हैं, these need to be addressed through a better management control for the rail industry. तो in country जब आप इसको not for profit भी declare करते हैं, but that is only for the passengers. But when you are talking about कि they are like for freight, जब freight की बात की जाती है तो इसको एक profit scenario में रख के देखा जाता है, rather than कि this is being for the welfare of the society. तो वहाँ पर जब आप freight की बात कर रहे हैं तो rails should become profitable rather than कि they are like there is a lot of fixed cost but the returns are very marginal. उसके returns जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. तो that is, ये issues सारे के सारे उस चीज़ को address करते हैं, and that can be addressed through a proper management control. Thank you.